What is the definition of the probability? So can you
Um,
explain probability? Yes.
a percentage of an event or an event that's gonna
Mhm.
happen.
Great. Yes, of course. Or we can say a chance, no? Chance of like occurring any event. Chance of occur. We can say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I hope the whatever I am writing over the screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Very. So see, chance of occurrence, we can say, and of course, see, we have a lot of example in our daily life related to the probability. Yes or no? Of course,
Yes, sir.
yes, right? So can you please let me know some basic example of probability in daily life?
Um,
Where are
I
you using such concepts of probability?
um when I'm gonna eat like this
Uh-huh.
type of chips, or like I'm gonna eat vinegar and salt chips or pickle chips.
Uh-huh. Yeah, of course. Or maybe when you are going to play a game and you have to decide, let's okay, you like cricket or not?
Yes, I play it.
Yes.
I'm in the
So
Richmond
of
Stud.
course during yes of so during any sports even we are using some toss method, right? So let's just toss the coin, or in cricket especially. So you usually use coin to toss or to decide who is going to bat first or who is going to ball first, right? So see again we are using the concept of probability, right? And it may rain today or it may not rain today. It is again the concept of probability itself, but still it's we are not sure about it, right? But
Mm,
and more example, yeah, okay, and yes, dice you have used in Ludo
yes.
game. Yes. So again, there again we are like you need just 1-4 to win the match. So what is the chances of yours to win the game? So that means we have a dice and it has six options, right? We have six options, and you are very confident that you will get 400%. But you know, right? Out of six digits, you can get any number when you roll the dice, right? So it may be, sir, it may be like four will come on the next trial, or it may be one, two, or three will come on the next trial. So that is again the chance of occurrence. So actually, we are usually using the mathematical concept in our daily life. Yes or no? There
Yes,
is a
sir.
misconception, Lavin, sometime everyone is saying that mathematics is just a calculation, one, two, three, addition, subtraction, and so on. But it's not just the calculation, right?
Yes, sir.
Probability and states that you will learn. So again, will be the concept of mathematics only. So you will see, so we will use mathematics in a broad manner in our daily life, right? This is just a few examples, right? Uses of probability in our daily life. Okay, so let's start now. So how we will use this topic, and we will use this concept to boost our knowledge in and how can we use it in our daily life. So see, probability, that is chance of occurrence. So see, some words you have learned. I think you have told me that, sir, you have a little bit idea of probability. So if I ask you, have you ever heard the name sample space?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is sample space?
Um, How do
Forget?
I explain it?
No issue, Lavin. Yes, no
Um,
issue. See, Lavin, we will do one thing. Whenever you have any doubt, just let's interrupt me or just raise your hand. So I have an doubt, right? Please do always feel free to ask any kind of doubt. Like it may be the doubt is from second class. You are in grade fifth, I think, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, it may be the doubt is from grade second, third, or fourth, right? Please don't hesitate to ask. See, because as of now you are in grade fifth. If you will not clear your concepts related to the fourth grade, third grade, or fifth grade, you will not be able to do the sixth grade, right? So that means every grade is interlinked to each other. So please feel free to ask any kind of question, right? Whether it is related to your topic or not, whether it is related to your grade fifth or not, you can ask. Fine, Levin. So
Okay,
that
sir.
should that communication should be there in between, like between you and me. Fine. So I don't I like in like coming classes it should not be there. Okay, I'm just writing over there and I'm just teaching and you are just taking notes and not asking the questions from me. So I want your full cooperation. Fine. Okay,
Okay,
great.
sir.
So sample space. So what is the sample space? Let me take an example and then understand what do you understand by the sample space. Let's suppose we have a coin. So can you tell me, Levin, what outcomes can be there? Outcomes means what can be there? Like we have two faces of a coin, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. The two faces are there. So one face, of course, it's a head and other it's of tail, right? Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So see, what about the sample space? So sample space means how many outcomes can be there if we toss a coin or if we flip a coin. Let's suppose we flip a coin. This is your coin. So the outcomes will be head or tail. So that would be your sample space. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
sample space, so according to the definition, let me write the definition for you. You can take a note. Do you have your pen and pencil with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please take a note then. And also you can do one thing, you can take a screenshot or you can make export it into PDF as well. But I will suggest you as you are in grade fifth, a smaller grade. So I will suggest you to write down because writing the mathematics is the practice is the more efficient as compared to the taking PDF or taking screenshot, right? So I will suggest otherwise it's all up to you. You can take any method to take a note. So in probability, basically, in probability, the sample space is a list of all the possible outcomes of an experiment. So you can take a note. If something will be left, you can take a PDF. You can make PDF or take a screenshot as well, right? So the sample space is a list of all the possible outcomes of an experiment. It's clear, Ravin? So for a coin, how many sample space will be there? For a
What,
coin,
sir?
how many samples? For a coin, how many sample space will be there?
Two.
Very good, two. And that is your head and tail.
Tails.
Okay, now tell me how many sample space will be there for a dice? How many sample space will be there for a dice, Lavin?
Six.
Very good. Can you name the sample space, please? It's one,
One,
two,
two, four,
three,
5, and
four,
6.
5, and 6. Just a counting, right? Okay. So, do you know about the cards? Playing cards?
Yes, sir.
So, how many cards are there in a pack?
54, including
54.
the jokers.
Okay, including the jokers. Fine. But otherwise, it's your 52, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Well done. Great. So see, these are the terms like dice, coin, we will use frequently in the concept of probability.